Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Shark01, a professional hacking tool available on GitHub. This tool is designed for tech enthusiasts and security researchers, and we're breaking down its coolest features. If you're into ethical hacking or penetration testing, stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. So, what's Shark01? It's an open-source shell-based tool hosted on GitHub. It's marketed as a professional hacking tool for those looking to experiment with security testing. Let's dive into what makes it tick and how it can help you in your projects. First feature, super simple setup. Shark01 makes it easy to get started. You just run a one-liner command, and boom, it's installed. No messy configurations or dependencies to hunt down. It's perfect for anyone who wants to jump straight into action. Next up, shell-based power. Shark01 is written in Bash, which means it's lightweight and runs smoothly on almost any Linux system. This gives it a fast, no-nonsense approach to security testing tasks. Whether you're probing systems or automating scripts, its shell foundation keeps things efficient and flexible. Third feature, open-source flexibility. Since it's on GitHub, you can dig into the code, tweak it, or even add your own features. Want to customize it for your specific needs? Go for it. The open-source nature lets you adapt Shark01 to your workflow, making it a great learning tool too. Want to try Shark01? It's easy. Head to the GitHub and grab the setup command. Run it in your terminal, and you're good to go. Just a heads up, this is a hacking tool, so use it responsibly and only on systems you have permission to test. Stay ethical, folks. And that's Shark01, a simple, powerful, and flexible tool for security enthusiasts. What do you think? Would you give it a try? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this breakdown, hit that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next video. Keep exploring and stay awesome.